Anyway, why did I do that?
Hey my people, welcome back to Baby's Monsters, or if you're new, welcome! Today you are going to be amazed with all the stuff I'm going to show you. First off, we have some glue, which we're going to be gluing yourselves to the wall. Hopefully not. We got 6 glue sticks. I do the math for that. Everyone do the math. How many is this? And then we got a bottle of glue. You know what glue stands for? Slime! We're not actually going to make it sound as cool. I wish. Crayola quills. And then we got some Crayola markers. Color on paper, my friends. Color on paper, not friends. Then we got some pencils. Pink scissors. Careful things. Be very, very careful. Very careful. Black markers. These are from my teacher. We got a stapler with staples already included. My mom has to buy stuff in a kit like this. And then we got 150 sheets of paper. Who knows what we're gonna use this for? Because we have not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 notebooks. We're only sitting in 3rd grade for you, and last time we only needed 2. What are we gonna use these for? What are we gonna use these for? There's so many. We got some colored pencils with colored erasers. So cute. And then we got a pencil pouch. Comment down below if you call this a light blue or a teal. So I call it a teal light blue. Ponytails, because we love rainbow stuff, and we need ponytails. Because my hair is always messy in the morning. I have no time to take a shower. I'm kidding, guys. I always take a shower. We have a little eraser. And we have a little eraser. And of course, I have a backpack for school. JoJo, big stinking backpack. Look at this. It comes with a little bow. Even the straps are JoJo theme. Inside there's a little pouch for your photo. In front of your bag is a little pouch so you can like stuff your things. So you can put all your trim snacks in it. And you need shoes because I have gym and we can't wear flip-flops in gym because you want a lot. Not 1 new pair of shoes, not 2 pairs of new shoes, but 3 new pairs of shoes. And yes, I did save these for last because I love them. These are the shoes I'm going to wear on my first day. Because look at them. In the sun, they shine like a rainbow. Look at these. They're so pretty, aren't they? They're so pretty. Comment down below which shoes you like the best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Bye! And today I'm going to do a haul, and my mom bought this book from Kidtopia. And I did it all over the summer when we've been on all the vacations, and it was when it was dark and raining. My mom said, "Get out your work with Bella."
I did not sound like that.
I think I did.
So this is a workbook. I picked it up at Kidtopia, and all summer long she's been having to do work pages inside of it. If she completed it by the time school started,
I'd get $15.
Yeah, Kidtopia said bring your completed book back and we will give your child a $15 credit that they can use to purchase anything within our store.
And it just happens to be my birthday.
Yes.
And we got called in and said, you get $5 for your birthday. So
yeah.
So I have $20 to spend.
What did you get with your $20?
Is this Swiss Relief? Oi. Ooh. Ooh. And
So she picked up this guy who has Orbeez inside of him.
then this, I actually had this before and I broke it. If you guys saw that on my channel, that I all mixed everything together.
I don't think I ever posted that. I don't know. I don't think I did.
I cannot break this because this is for my ASMR video. So satisfying. What's in this thing?
Oh, it was sticky though.
Yeah, it was sticky. I had this before, but I broke it. Then I got this.
So cool.
Look at that. I kind of just want to take one do this. Just pop it.
Just pop it off.
Yeah, best friends.
Is it supposed to be that airy?
Yeah. Guess it lights up. Then we have these little cats, and I try to think of them as someone Morty. My mom's brother, because Samo.
Your uncle.
Yeah, my uncle. And because Morty is like an orange tabby, and Samo is like a brown and blackish.
Okay.
Hides in the shadows.
So this is everything she got. So the reason that Bella was doing this workbook all summer, basically they just kind of forget all the stuff they learned at school. And so when they go to their next grade, they've lost some of it. So doing this book kept her brain working and remembering some of the things she needed to know.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and subscribe. Bye!